Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Bistek Sirloin. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have green onions. We have ring onions here, or onion rings. We have lemon, beef sirloin, sliced already in thin slices here. We got garlic powder, fresh garlic, salt and pepper, kikkoman sauce, vegetable oil, and just plain soy sauce. Now what we're gonna do now is we can marinate the beef sirloin for a few minutes before we cook it. So let's get started. First of all, we will add kikkoman sauce, like 2 to 3 tablespoons of kikkoman sauce, depending on how much sirloin you have. Okay, and then we're gonna squish in lemon here, again depending on how much sirloin do you have. On this one, I think I'll just squeeze in 2 slices of lemon here. Okay, then add garlic powder, or salt, I'm sorry, pepper, just a little of salt, and we'll put garlic powder. And then we can marinate this for a few minutes. We will mix it well, marinate this for a few minutes, and we will cook it in our pot. Alright, so let's wait 30 minutes before we cook it. Now in our hot pan here, let's put some veggie oil. We're gonna fry the we're gonna stir fry the onion rings, okay? And then we will set this aside. Our oil is hot already. Let's put the onion rings. Okay, we'll cook this for the next minute or so. Okay, there you go. And then we will set this aside when it's done. Now let's add our garlic. We're gonna cook the beef, the sirloin after 30 minutes of marinating it. So let's put the garlic. All right. A little bit brownish now. Now let's add our sirloin. All right. Okay. Okay. We'll cook the sirloin for the next, I should say, 15 minutes until it gets real tender. All right, we cover it. Now the beef is cooked already, So we will add the some of the onions, the onion rings, and we will transfer this into our serving bowl. So this is done. See you in a bit. Here is the finished product. Bistek Sirloin. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.